we begin, make sure you have an overhead arm support handy. We have recently updated our overhead arm support to increase the length and width. This improves stability when used with breastless patients. Typically, the baseboard is placed underneath the mattress. This ensures a secure setup. But however, sometimes you may wish to place it above the mattress or use in CT or with larger patients. When using the overhead arm support with taller patients, you may want to place the dagger board on top of the mattress. Place the patient with their head on top of a pillow and slide the baseboard under the head until it's just clear of the head. Place the arms into the arm support surface. Increase the height until the hands are just below the elbows. Then you may want to reposition this a little bit closer to the head. That reduces the stress on the shoulder.